Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2047 code? This code means the reductant injector circuit is open on bank 1 unit 1, causing improper DEF injection into the exhaust system. If ignored, emissions will increase and the SCR system may stop functioning correctly. P2047 stands for Reductant Injector Circuit Open, bank 1 unit 1. In simple terms, the ECU has detected an open circuit in the DEF injector wiring or the injector itself is not operating. Common symptoms include check engine light, DEF system warning, poor emission control, reduced engine performance, and possible limp mode in diesel vehicles. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The reductant injector is mounted on the exhaust pipe before the SCR catalyst under the vehicle. Bank 1 Unit 1 refers to the primary DEF injector used for emission control. The SCR catalyst is located further down the exhaust system after the DEF injection point. The wiring harness for the injector runs along the exhaust line and connects to the DEF control module and ECU. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data and checking DEF injector operation. Then inspect the injector wiring and connectors for open circuits, loose connections, or heat damage. Check the injector for clogging or internal failure. Also inspect the DEF lines and dosing module for proper fluid supply. If the circuit is open or the injector is faulty, replacement is necessary. Finally, repair wiring issues, replace the defective reductant injector if required, clear the code, and perform a complete drive cycle. Fixing P2047 will restore proper DEF injection and emission system efficiency.